Hello everyone, Natalie Eternal here with ENJO Canada. I'm doing a quick little video to show you a demonstration on my amazing all-purpose kitchen cloth. I use 1,000 times a day. I swear it's amazing. It's got these long fibers here, and this fiber is actually on special right now in a 3-pack with the bathroom and living room fiber. Let me show you here what they look like. So here's the living fiber. It's the all-purpose living fiber, basically exactly the same thing with the long fibers for your living room. You've also got the bathroom fiber here. Same thing, all-purpose fiber with these long fibers that are absorbing, picks up, and do quick, easy jobs. So basically this replaces your paper towels, your wipes, and any rags that you would be using, but I'm telling you, it holds, grabs, traps. Amazing. So the kitchen one, this is a brand new one. This is what it looks like. It's awesome. See these little fibers here? Again, exact same thing except green is kitchen. So just remember, take a look at your tag and it'll tell you green kitchen. But it also gives you a little water drop here. And on the water drop, it says full water. The reason why it's full water is because this is what you use to take away water. And you're going to be able to pick up and grab and hold, okay? So I'm going to do a quick little video. This is my kitchen all-purpose that I've had for probably 2 years now. You can tell it's definitely not the same as the brand new one in color-wise, but again, I use it 1,000 times a day. So I'm going to show you how you put a little bit of water in on your fiber. Cold water is what you need. In my bowl here, I had mixed actually some cheeses, different cheeses for my lentil lasagna that I made the other day. It has chives in there too, see all the greens in there. So what you do is you take your cold fiber, wet this for a little bit. I actually have another pot down here too that I'm going to show you after. It's got seeds in there. So let's wash this out. So basically, so that I don't make too much noise, I'm going to move this like this. Pick this up, grab your fiber, and just massage it all the way around until you've grabbed all of that cheese that's stuck on there, and you will see it in my cloth. So once it's loosened up, what you can do is you can put some water in here to rinse away whatever has been pulled off, and you basically dump it down the drain and you'll see your bowl is nice and clean. This cheese had actually been stuck here for 2 days. I left it on purpose to see how quick and easy it would come out. So then I'm going to show you now. So this is what my fiber looks like. So see, you can see the cheese on there. So in this dish, I've got some chili flakes. So I had mixed a whole bunch of herbs in here. So I'm going to take my fiber and grab those chili flakes and show you also how it just holds on to that all-purpose cloth, and then you can rinse that off. But look at this. See that? So there we go. So there's the chili flakes, there's the cheese, and it was only water. You don't need anything else. I'm going to show you too how it actually holds on. It doesn't even come off of this fiber because this fiber becomes like rubber. It's incredible. I love it. It's the best. So there we go. So get yourself a 3-pack of the kitchen all-purpose, bathroom all-purpose, and living all-purpose, because in your living, you will be able to do the same thing if you've got spills or crumbs on the floor. And in the bathroom, same thing. Amazing for the toilets, amazing for a quick rinse of the sink, and even the mirrors. If you need to take away a little bit of dust that's on the mirror, it will do that as well. Okay, so bathroom all-purpose, same job. Living, and then if you notice the size difference between the living and the kitchen and the bathroom, see how much bigger it is? Way bigger. And the kitchen all-purpose is the same as the bathroom all-purpose. Okay, so there we go, 3-pack deal. You need this, and the back side is actually really great too because it's got this scratchy side. So if anything is really hard and stuck, you can use the back side of these fibers as well. So you will find the double use for these. Okay, so there we go. So there's your bathroom. There's your kitchen, like I showed you, and the living. Exactly the same fiber basically, just the size and the color, and it will pick up crumbs and remove all the spills and anything that you need to clean for quick jobs. So replacing all wipes, replacing paper towels, and these are a must. Okay, have a great day, everyone.